To switch between Google Assistant and Gemini on Samsung Galaxy F07, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to find the Google. Click on All Services and move down until you find Search Assistant and Voice. Then you can click on either Google Assistant or Gemini. The difference will be that if you want to use Gemini, just click on it and proceed with the setup that should be shown on the screen. But in case that you want to activate Google Assistant instead, click on Google Assistant and scroll down. It won't show you the setup. You will need to do it manually by scrolling down right here on the Google Assistant options. Select Digital Assistants from Google and make sure that Google Assistant is picked right here. That way the setup for Google Assistant is complete as well. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.